Traveling abroad gets us out of our comfort zone and broadens our perspectives. It is a transformative experience where we can have a deeper understanding of the world, offering not only adventures and memories, but also personal growth. When you travel, everything is different. The people, the language, the food, the sight, the smell, and an entirely new culture. Traveling may be expensive, but there are ways how we can do it on a budget. Continue watching as I share with you the things we did to DIY our trip to Hong Kong and Macau. So, nagpahatid kami sa bus stop and we opted to ride the bus from Pangasinan going to Dao. The fare is 219 pesos each head. And from Dao, may mga van na nag-aantay naman doon. So, sumakay kami going to Clark. And the cost is about 150 pesos per head. We booked our round-trip ticket sa Cebu Pacific nung nagkaroon sila ng piso fare. We entered in Hong Kong and exit point is in Macau. So, our ticket from Clark to Hong Kong is 3,422 and our return ticket from Macau to Naiya is 4,552.17 pesos. So, that's a total of 7,974.17. That's for 2 packs already. So, pagkarating namin ng airport, tumiretso agad kami sa bayaran ng travel tax. That's 1,620 pesos per head. Get your receipt and go straight to the check-in counter. Present your passport together with the pink slip and weigh your luggage, and afterwards, the staff will print out your boarding pass. So after that, go straight to the departure area for luggage screening, and afterwards, go to the immigration officer. Answer their questions and present what is being asked. Pagpasado, tatatakan na nila yung passport mo and pwede ka nang dumiretso sa boarding gate mo. And congrats, makakahinga ka na ng maluwag. Yan, chill-chill ka na lang dyan. Pwede ka na mag-picture, kumain, umikot-ikot sa airport. And pwede ka na mag-post kasi pasado na kay IO. Thank you. Before boarding time, usually, nagko-call out si Cebu Pacific ng mga volunteers na gustong mag-check-in ng kanilang hand carry for free. Yan, so you can take advantage of it kung ayaw mong may dala-dala na papunta dun sa loob ng eroplano. Wait for the announcement kapag open na yung gates for boarding. And ayun na, pipili na kayo isa-isa and then i-scan nila yung boarding pass mo. And afterwards, pwede ka nang dumiretso sa loob ng eroplano. Find your seat and ilagay mo sa overhead cabin yung mga hand carry luggage mo and your personal bag under the seat in front of you. Sit down, relax, put on your seatbelt, and enjoy the flight. To sum it up, based on my experience, first, kailangan mong mag-book ng round-trip ticket ninyo. Take advantage of the piso fare, piso sales, ganyan. Second, make your own itinerary dahil dito ka magbe-base kung anong hotel ang ibubook mo, anong attractions and activities ang pwede mong i-pre-book. And dito ka din magbe-base, of course, ng budget na paghahandaan mo para sa travel ninyo. Next one, book your hotel and accommodation, pre-book the attractions, make to bring list para walang makalimutan by the things that you need for your travel, and prepare the necessary documents na possible na hingiin sa'yo ni IO. Of course, you need to accomplish your e-travel through eGov.ph or etravel.gov.ph at least 72 hours before your flight, and check in online on Cebu Pacific app as early as 48 hours before your flight. And then go to the airport early. Diba? You need to be at the airport 4 to 5 hours before your flight para may time ka pa sa mga process na dapat gawin sa loob ng airport. That's it. So, kung nakatulong tong video na to, please like, follow, and share. Abangan ang part 2 ng aming Hong Kong and Macau trip.